Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, July 22nd. Before we get into the markets, I want to show you what's coming up for me this coming weekend. I'm going to be speaking at the Traders Expo here in Chicago. If you go to their website, just Traders Expo Chicago might get you there, live stream, and you'll see something that looks like this. And I have a couple of presentations that will be live streamed, one on Sunday. These times that you're seeing are Chicago times, and then also on Monday. Plus I have another presentation on futures that will not be live streamed, and also an interview. But you can attend those, they're all free, if you go to the Traders Expo. So I hope I see you there if you're going to be attending. Now let's get back to these markets. We see some volatility. We have news coming out of the Middle East. We have Fed news about not lowering the discount rate as much as people are anticipating. And we can see here in the Nasdaq market, the market traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change here in this market, just to give you a feel for what's going on there, is $1,500 a contract. I don't necessarily look for a dramatic move to the downside in that market. And when it comes to a market that's struggling here, I think, is also the British pound. It's backed off. It traded below its bearish level. That magnitude change, $62.50. I'm looking for an inside type day. These currencies, we found sellers, but can we get follow through? That's the issue. Same thing holds true in these interest rate markets. 10-year interest rates traded below its bearish level. That's $250 a contract. I do look for follow through to the downside. But when it comes to the metals, take a look at what's happening with silver. We got high enough to find sellers. It does imply a down day for Monday, but I'm not looking for a dramatic move there. Also, nat gas continues to find sellers. We are at levels that we found buyers. So on the short side of that market, on energy, including crude oil, you have to be cautious at these levels. Now, the grains. The soybean market traded above its bullish level. The magnitude changed there. In that market, $600 a contract, and I'm looking for an inside to only slightly higher movement. Corn also traded above its bullish level. The magnitude change in that market, again, just to give you that as a reference, is $500 a contract, and I'm looking for a very small move to the upside. Wheat also traded above its bullish level. That's $550 a contract, and I'm looking for an inside day on Monday. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again, and as always, have a wonderful weekend and take care.